Hello guys, today we're going to play Piggy, and it's a popular game with a lot of people play it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm a cat, and I'm also covered to Fox, so you can subscribe. See, oh, not Piggy. He didn't see me. Yo, what's up, man? I'm just trying to get a key card. Okay, so first we need to go and oh yeah, the key card. It's my guns. I can feel George this. And those balls on here. Okay, let's get. Oh my god, it is Mr. P. Sheepy Bunny. Oh, it's gone now. No, two. I am truly love Mr. PP. I'm just gonna use. I got the yellow key. I'm a little man. Okay, I'm a child of the PvP. I got the wood. I got the wood. I got the wood. 10 XP. Logs. Every time we go through these logs on play. No, it says it's short. Beat the game like books. Oh. Why are we in the sewers? I'm not gonna kill because I'm going. Oh, Piggy. He just like, he's like, I'm a pet. Okay. Go to a tail. Where is going? Okay, no, the guy has to save. Oh, would it be? Oh, yes. Diamondite. Yoink. 3, 2, 1, explode this fucking thing. Okay. Should I just glitch it? Thanks. Pew, 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 pew. Here's a come on, go. I can see my face. It's usually nothing. Why did you come again? Leafy? Why is there so much people? Shit, I'm fat. Okay, sorry, I'm not that fat. Okay, let's go to build mode. Can I join with you? In build mode? Okay, that's just my little sister talking. Okay, there. You wanna see what I created? Yeah. No, I'm talking to you. Okay, yeah, you can join. Okay. I want to see what I've been making, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna load my pirate. I have an Among Us one. Like, we can play that one. Load Among Us. See, this is it. And wait, we're gonna play. bot. There. See, we had the purple key there. We had the go. That time was so. Oh, that's piggy. Oh yeah. Yes, I got it. Yeah, guys. It has been a long. Okay. What? Okay, we got this. We got this, guys. Okay. I don't know where the white key goes. I forgot. I haven't played Piggy in a long time.
I mean, I did play a long time. Yeah. Can you leave the server with me for a second? I just want.
I don't even know where the white key goes. Where's the? Okay.
Just look. Yeah. Now.
Okay. Sorry.
Can I play
Okay.
the server?
Okay. No, it's okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna do another one. But, yeah, I'm sorry. So, there's a cutscene, so, yeah. I'll load it. Okay, this is it. We'll play. Bot. Need to play bot. Okay. The cutscene didn't happen. I don't even know how to do the cutscene actually. Yeah, let's start playing. Okay, there it is. We have a buzz. Okay, there. A fire, fire. Oh, I know. If you make a small hole, if you have like 3 people in the server, then it might even be easy. Oh my god! Oh my god!